What does it mean to be a pain? It means to be annoying. Have you ever had someone in your class who always has an opinion about something, who always wants to talk about the way they feel or give you their 2 cents? Remember that expression that we learned about in a previous video? About topics and situations? Well, when a person is really annoying and you just don't like to be around them, or the idea of conversing with them just gives you a headache, you can say that that person is a pain. Like, my professor right now is such a pain. She always assigns homework on Fridays that takes about 3-4 hours to complete. She is a pain. Now, to be blindsided means to be caught off guard about something, or to be attacked because of something. Basically, when you're blindsided, something happens or is said to you that you were not prepared to receive, or is done to you when you're in a really vulnerable position. And so you never even saw it coming. You don't see it coming. You can also use blindsided in terms of a relationship. Let's say you've been dating someone for a couple months and everything's going fine. You guys go out on weekends, you talk, you text. It's just a normal, typical relationship. There are no issues, no qualms, nothing. But then all of a sudden they approach you and they say, "I want to break up," or "I think we should break up." And you're like, huh? What happened? So they completely blindsided you. The act of them saying they want to break up, they blindsided you because they basically introduced this option that you never thought was an option because the relationship was going so smoothly. So that's also a time when we can use blindsided. Fed up is an idiom to mean angry, mad, livid, pissed off, like really, really, really upset. Fed up just means you're at a point, you've hit your boiling point. You're at a place where you just can't take it anymore. You're ready to explode. You're ready to go off on someone, to scream at them, yell at them, shout at them. It's just all these emotions welling up and they're ready to just explode. To be fed up.